What are the best questions to ask a lender when getting a commercial real estate loan? You know, the right real estate financing can make the difference between a good project and a great one. I'm John Lloyd, President and CEO of Fidelis Private Fund. You know, in today's economic environment, obtaining the right loan with the best lender can be a real challenge. You know, you can speed up this loan process by asking the right questions up front for searching for the right lender. So before contacting the lender, first thing you need to do is write down your specific loan request and the purpose of the loan. Know that. If it's a bridge loan, know ahead of time the exit strategy and how the loan will be repaid. You know, for assistance in getting your loan, you can always utilize an experienced mortgage broker who can guide you through this process to find the best lender for your specific loan request. Here are some questions to ask the lender when searching for a commercial real estate loan. Under the category of lender and loan types, are you dealing with a direct lender or a mortgage broker? Often brokers pose as lenders, so know if you're dealing with a direct lender or a mortgage broker. That can make a difference. What loan programs do they offer? For example, bridge loans, construction loans, land loans, permanent loans. What is the lender's preferred loan type? What's the minimum and maximum loan amount to any one borrower? What is the preferred loan amount size? What are the loan fees and closing costs involved? What are the upfront deposits to start the loan process? Are they refundable or non-refundable? What are the prepayment penalty options? What are the interest rates, fixed rates, variable rate options? There's various combinations in rate options a lender offers. Are there interest-only options? What are the amortization schedules and the loan terms? Can the rate be locked? And if it's locked, how long? What's the cost? Is the loan recourse? Is the loan non-recourse? Is that an option? Are impounds required? Insurance and insurance and taxes. Under the next category of borrower requirements, you know, what is the specific financial information required? Financial statements, tax returns, bank statements. You know, does the lender have a minimum net worth requirement? You know, is there a minimum liquidity requirement? You know, is there a minimum credit score required for the specific guarantor? What type of past credit issues hinder the approval process? For example, you know, bankruptcy, foreclosures. There are certain issues that could hinder the lender from making the loan. What type of borrower real estate experience is required? Do you need to own existing properties? Have, you know, the property management, development experience, construction experience? You know, what is the best way the lender communicates with the client? No, if it's email, phone, texting, that's important to best communicate with your lender. Under the category of property types and location, what property types does the borrower lend on? What do they prefer? Multifamily, office, retail, industrial, you know, residential, land. Know the type of property type the lender prefers. What is the geographical lending area? You know, under the category of underwriting, you know, does the lender underwrite to global cash flow, or are they looking specifically to the individual and the property itself? What is the maximum loan to value ratio for the specific property type? You know, what's the maximum loan to cost ratio when you're dealing with a construction loan? Is the land accounted for at cost or market value when calculating the loan to cost ratio? These are important things for construction loans. What are the pre-leasing requirements for a construction loan? What debt service coverage ratio do they require for the different product types? If it's an income property, you know, does it have to be seasoned, and how long? You know, what types of third-party reports do they need? You know, and what do they cost? And do you get these third-party reports back? Do you get copies of them? Important questions for the underwriting process. Under the category of approval, you know, what is the lender's approval process? Who approves the loan? A committee, a specific credit officer, that's important to know how the process works. What's the timing from the application to funding? Under the category of funding, do they require a specific title company, an escrow? And that's important to know ahead of time. Under the last category, servicing, does the lender service their own loans? Do they require annual updated financial information on you, the borrower, and the entities and the guarantors? It doesn't matter if you're looking for your first commercial real estate loan or you're an experienced real estate investor. Asking these questions up front, it can help guide you and improve the speed of getting your loan and getting the right lender for your specific real estate transaction. As a direct lender, I can help you, with smaller bridge loans through Fidelis. And if the loan doesn't fit Fidelis, I can help you find the right lender for your deal fast. You can find out more about me at fidelispf.com. And if you're not already a subscriber on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And thanks again for listening. Talk to you again soon.